Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video we are going to see that how you can install and set up your Android Studio as well as your Flutter SDK for your respective OS. So this is the link docs.flutter.dev/getstarted/install. I have provided this link as a resource in the resources section as well. So over here you can find all the steps to properly download your Android Studio, to set it up as well, and here you will also get to download your Flutter SDK. So first of all, select your respective OS so the Flutter SDK for that respective OS will be downloaded. Once your Flutter SDK is downloaded, then type env to get your system environment variables. Now over here click on the environment variables. Now over here under the user variables, select the path variable and click on edit. Now here paste the path of your Flutter SDK where it has been stored after downloading. So let me show you where my Flutter SDK has been stored. So here I have created one Flutter folder which I am having a folder of installation, and here I have stored my downloaded Flutter SDK. Okay, and you have to give the path of this bin directory. Okay, so copy paste this part till the bin directory and paste it over here and add it. Okay, so by this way you have successfully added Flutter to your system variable path. Okay, now after this we would like to set up an editor. So for our course, as I have mentioned, we will be using Android Studio. So here the Flutter team has already provided you the steps and the resources to install your Android Studio. Okay, so from here you can download and install your Android Studio. Now after installing your Android Studio, when you will open it, there will be a section of plugins. I can't show you it right now because I have already done it. So when you will open it for the first time, there will be a section on your left hand side named preferences or plugins. Okay, so from there just type Flutter and then it will show you a Flutter plugin, and just simply install it and restart your Android Studio. So next time when you will open your Android Studio, it will also show you the option of create a new Flutter project. Okay, after doing all these steps, okay, if you want to check whether Flutter has been installed properly and it has been set it to your system variable path, just press Windows R and open your CMD. Over here type Flutter space -- version. So it will show you the details. So if we have properly implemented all the steps, then it will show you your current Flutter framework version and your current Dart framework version as well. Okay, one more thing, that when you download Flutter SDK, so after the upgrade of 1.5, Flutter automatically installs the Dart SDK as well with it. Okay, so here you can see that my Flutter framework is 2.5.3, which is of stable channel, and it is also having the Dart SDK of 2.14. Okay, so that's all for this video. In our next video, we will understand the important files and structure of our Flutter project. So see you in the next video.